Welcome back to the Auto Show Car channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kubota M7 series, a lineup that continues to redefine agricultural efficiency and versatility. While Kubota is renowned for its tractors, it's important to note that the M7 series does not include a combine harvester model. Instead, this series focuses on powerful tractors designed to meet the diverse needs of modern farming operations. The 2025 Kubota M7 series offers three main models: M7 to 132, M7 to 152, and M7 to 172, with gross engine horsepower ranging from 128 to 168. These tractors are equipped with the robust Kubota V6108 engine, a 6.1-liter, four-cylinder powerplant known for its reliability and fuel efficiency. The engine's power boost feature provides additional horsepower when needed, enhancing performance during demanding tasks. Transmission options in the M7 series cater to various operational preferences. The 30x15 semi-powershift transmission offers 30 forward and 15 reverse speeds, allowing operators to select the optimal gear for each task. For those seeking seamless speed adjustments, the Kubota Variable Transmission (KVT) provides an infinite number of forward and reverse speeds, ensuring maximum efficiency across different applications. Operator comfort is a priority in the M7 series. The spacious, climate-controlled cab features ergonomic seating and an intuitive control panel, reducing fatigue during long hours in the field. The EZ Command Center enables effortless access to many of the tractor's functions, creating a more comfortable and productive environment. The hydraulic capabilities of the M7 series are impressive. Premium and Premium KVT models offer electronically controlled closed center load sensing (CCLS) hydraulics with a flow rate of 29 gallons per minute, providing precise control for implements requiring high hydraulic performance. Deluxe models feature mechanically controlled CCLS hydraulics, while standard models come with a pressure-compensated, fixed displacement hydraulic system suitable for various applications. Versatility is a hallmark of the M7 series. These tractors are well suited for tasks such as round baling, spraying, planting, tillage, loader work, mixer wagon operations, and grain cart handling. The LM2606 front loader, compatible with the M7 Gen 4, boasts a lift capacity of 5,776 pounds, enabling operators to handle demanding front loader tasks with ease. The M7 series also integrates advanced precision farming technologies. Isobus compatibility streamlines connections with implements, ensuring seamless data exchange. Auto steering and GPS guidance systems reduce overlaps and skips, saving time and resources while increasing yield efficiency. In summary, the 2025 Kubota M7 series stands out as a powerful and adaptable solution for modern agricultural needs. Its combination of robust engine performance, versatile transmission options, advanced hydraulics, and operator-focused design makes it a valuable asset for farmers aiming to enhance productivity and efficiency. If you found this overview helpful and want to stay updated on the latest in agricultural machinery and automotive innovations, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue to provide in-depth reviews and insights into the vehicles and equipment that drive our world forward.